Right, so this is how the heater looks like, because it's freezing cold now in the UK, and my room is just freaking cold in the morning at night. And yeah, so this is how it looks like. It's really small, convenient, and it's portable as well, so you can literally bring this if you're going on road trips, and if you're scared, like, you know, your Airbnbs are not gonna have enough heaters or something. So I just plugged it in. It's really in good condition, and it also has 4 options. This is switch on and off. This is the fan for summer, and this options, 2 options here are for heater, and this is the temperature control. Right, so let's just switch it on and let's see. So this is the fan. Yeah, but I don't want the fan because it's already cold, and I just switch on to the heater option, and it's getting warm now. And you can also adjust your temperature that you really want. So here, when you adjust to here, it's getting more warm, which is good because that's what I need. And yeah, there you go. It's really convenient. It's got a handle. There you go.
Brand new, switched on, brand new, switched on, naff all, absolute waste of money. It's recording.